acclamez, 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 acclamez. Acclamez, 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 acclamez.
Acclamez Jésus le roi des rois, il est le Messie, il est la vie. Acclamez Jésus le roi d'amour, il a dit je suis la vérité. Acclamez, acclamez Jésus-Christ, acclamez Jésus-Christ. Il a dit nul ne vient au Père si ce n'est pas moi. Il a dit, nul ne vient au Père si ce n'est pas moi. Ah, 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 ah. Il a dit, je suis le chemin, la vérité, la vie. Nul ne vient au Père que par moi. Il a dit, je suis le chemin, la vérité, la vie. Nul ne vient au Père que par moi. Acclamez, 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 acclamez. Acclamez Jésus le roi des rois, il est le Messie, il est là. Jésus le roi des rois, il a dit je suis
Now you are the fool. My solution is for your hands. Now you are the fool.
Now you make me a wild.
Now you make me a wild. My solution is for your hands. Now you are the fool. Now you make me better. Now you make me like fun. My solution is for your hands. Now you are the fool.
Et quand il lui a dit, qu'est-ce que tu veux? Le gars dit, je veux la double portion de ton onction, ou de ta puissance, ou de ton nom. Je ne sais pas comment je vais l'expliquer. Et lui a dit, mais mon ami, ce que tu demandes n'est pas chose facile. Mais si tu me vois m'en aller, tu l'obtiendras. Regardez, Élisée ne peut pas avoir pour faire cette demande à partir de rien. Je suis sûr, il a cheminé avec, il a marché avec Élie. Il l'a vu opérer des miracles. Il l'a vu faire des choses. Et ce gars savait que Élie ne sera pas là pour toujours. Le gars a commencé à réfléchir. Il s'est certainement dit, mais si mon maître fait ça, et que je dois le remplacer, mon onction ne peut pas être, mon onction ne doit pas être égale à son onction. Le gars a commencé à réfléchir. Et regardez la vie d'Élisée. Regardez les miracles qu'Élisée a générés. Il dit, bon, voici ce que nous allons faire. Nous allons attaquer Israël. Nous allons passer par ici, nous allons passer par là. Mais Élisée, dans sa chambre, pouvait entendre ce que le roi pouvait dire au roi d'Israël. Garde-toi de passer là-bas avec ton armée parce que les Syriens t'y attendent. Et la Bible dit que cela ne s'est pas passé une fois, pas deux fois. Élisée n'est pas seulement intervenu ici. Vous vous souvenez, lorsqu'il y a eu la famine, Élisée a dit au roi, demain, à cette heure, la Samarie, il ne s'est pas arrêté là, il est allé jusqu'à fixer les prix. Il dit, on vendra, comme c'est le riz ici, un verre de riz coûtera 1 franc. Et il a donné des prix qu'on ne peut pas pratiquer. Revenons, contextualisons un peu l'histoire d'Élisée. Il y a la famine au Cameroun. Et tu dis au chef du village, au grand chef du village, tu dis que demain, il y aura abondance au Cameroun.
He's a supervisor today. I asked him, what are you working? He said, I don't work. I said, you are not working? He said, yes. He's only preaching the gospel. I said, how are you living? In the town. He said, by the grace of God. I did not know what means the grace of God. I felt so bad that he's talking about the grace of God. You don't have money to eat. So I told him, please, when you come next time, don't preach, because I know you are a problem. I said, I know you are a problem. So anytime that you come, I will try to see if I can have 2,000 francs. I give him, I said, go and eat. I said, don't preach. So, please, we are not equal as we are seated here. There are people who are brain full. Our brains are full. We are studying until we are saturated. Please, pick us men of your type. There are people who have pocket full, pregnant pockets. Please, pick us people of your type. We have simple people, average people. We have no class. Let the church be packed full of diverse kinds of people. It is a responsibility of every one of us to win a soul of your time. When I gave my life, I was a young leader in an assembly. My church was packed full of youths. Youth, because I was a youth. One time I invited my brother, my papa like this one, to church. When he came to church, he saw young people, young girls, young boys. We preached, we danced, we did everything. At the end, he told me, my son, that your church is good, but it's an assembly of young people. It's not my place. Please, men of God, we have responsibility. Pick somebody for Christ. Let us fill that church with men of our type, of our caliber. It is our responsibility. When you sit with a person, you speak the same language. It's a bird that have the same feathers, they can float together. We have a responsibility. Let us evangelize. Let us win soul. I am so happy when they are talking about evangelism. It is the heartbeat of God. It's the heartbeat of God. When we evangelize, when we bring people out. I want to add this matter of people come to church. Our leader, arrange men. That when somebody come to church, a new person, he stand up. I am Mr. So and so. You look at the caliber of person and you just dictate a person who will follow him up. Because that matter that we talk after church with somebody and he finish is not enough. If somebody who has studied computer and the head is full come to church, you should handle this man. You just direct. I want people like that in Bamayo. I sing the church. I had a magistrate in the church. I was using him as an instrument. When I see you in the church, whether you are low class or high class, I will tell you, go and see that man after church. Tell him who you are. Before you preach the gospel. Tell him who you are before you preach the gospel and tell him to be coming. I was using him as an instrument. When you come to church, after service, you come and hold you. How are you? Who are you? You will ask me, who are you? You will tell whether you are selling bread and all that. You will say, I am Majesty Robinson, Germany. I am here in this court here. I am in charge of so and so and so. I am so happy that you came to church. Can I have your number? Can I be seeing you? The man will be trembling. Her Majesty is approaching. He wants to be my friend. I used him. Please, men of God, when somebody come to church, please, leaders, examine the kind of person. Give him somebody who will follow him up the whole of that month. Please follow up. Follow up have to do with money. As you see me, I spend money here. You see me here in this Yahoo. I spend much money. You come to church. When I see you new, I give you money. You pay taxi. If you don't say you will not come next time, like the German, I give money so that I motivate you to come. You cannot see. It is not the time of Adam where people were trekking. No, we do. That is why God is. I tell you, God is blessing me. God blesses. I give money and God give me money. So you look for somebody. The person should be responsible for that person at least. If the brother who is following up that person don't have time, at least for 1 month. He makes sure when the person is not in church, he call. What happened? You go and visit the person. You call the person, you pray for the person at least for 1 month. If you have time, you carry that person again for 2 months. If you know the way I suffer people who were following me up, I don't know. I think God can give me that patience. People who were following me on Sunday morning, I will gather my clothes to wash. Because I don't want to go to church. I will soak clothes in the water, put soap inside. I will sit down. 9 o'clock, I'm washing clothes. Then when the brother will come, hey brother John, why have you put your clothes in the water today now? I say the clothes are so dirty, I want to wash them. He will go and call other brothers. They will come and everybody will join because they will say, okay, no, leave it after church. I say, no, after church the sun will start to go. They will help me to wash that clothes. They will say that it is better for us to go late with this man in the church. People followed me. It was not easy. I was so Kenny crafty. Have you heard of Fiango? Yes. Have you heard of Fiango? I was a Fiango boy. I was so Kenny, so crafty. Please, I think that one is clear. When somebody comes to church, mommy, you carry it to the women. You study your women. When a woman says, I am Cecilia, I am coming on, find somebody. You try to examine, even a grammar, you will know. When